The Asante Army, the king of the Asante Empire, held ultimate authority over military campaigns. Though war declarations were decided in consultation with the chiefs and the Privy Council, it was the king's command that initiated conflict. His reputation depended on military success. A victorious campaign solidified his rule, while failure could lead to his downfall, as seen in the case of Kofi Karikari, who was deposed following the defeat by the British in 1874. Once war was declared, the chiefs, acting as military commanders, returned to their territories and called their people to arms. Every male citizen was a soldier, yet only a portion of them would be mobilized at any given time. This quota system ensured that society remained functional, with enough men staying behind.